All right, compare and contrast. I know you've done these before, so it's nothing crazy new. Just thinking about the Kelpie and the Berserker and the baby. So those two fiction stories, technically one's a folktale and one's a legend, but they're very similar in the fact that they come from these different cultures, traditionally passed down orally, etc. So what I want you to focus on is comparing and contrasting the main characters. So the Berserker and then the lady in the Kelpie. I'm blanking on her name. So compare and contrast. Talk about how each one of them was tricked and what the result was. You could also talk about the lesson that they learned in each story. You can talk about the type of folktales they are. So we have the Welsh folktale versus the Icelandic story, the Norse mythology. Really look at those stories and see what you can pull out from them that's similar and different. Again, reading the stories, making sure we understand them, making sure we're digging deep and not just going a surface level, but thinking as deeply as possible about them. Okay? Let me know if you need help. I'm absolutely willing to help. Reread the stories, have them both open, see what's similar, see what's different, and good luck.